Imagine checking into a hotel room that officially does not exist. No room number, no floor plan, no record, yet dozens of guests swear they slept there. And some of them were never the same afterward. This is the mystery of the hotel room that disappears. The story begins in the early 2000s at an old, upscale hotel in Europe. The kind of hotel with chandeliers, marble floors, and a century of history. Guests checking in were occasionally assigned room 428. Nothing seemed strange at first. The key card worked. The hallway was normal. The door opened. Inside, the room was elegant but oddly minimal. No artwork on the walls. No mirrors, no visible air vents. Several guests later said the room felt too quiet, like sound was being absorbed. But they stayed anyway. Every guest described the same experience. At some point after midnight, the lights dimmed on their own phones, lost signal. The clock stopped moving. One guest said time felt thick, like it was slowing down. Another claimed they heard footsteps inside the walls. But the strangest detail? When guests woke up, their watches showed different times, sometimes hours apart, even though they slept in the same room. The real mystery began when guests tried to report their experiences. Hotel staff looked confused. There was no room for 128 in the system, no booking record, no maintenance logs, no key cards assigned. When managers escorted guests back to the hallway, the door was gone. In its place, a blank wall, no seam. No sign door had ever been there. Architectural plans confirmed it. That section of the floor should not contain a room. Skeptics assumed hallucinations or pranks until evidence surfaced. One guest had taken a photo inside the room. The image showed a distorted corner of the ceiling. Light is bending unnaturally, a shadow that didn't match any object. Hotel security footage made things worse. Cameras showed guests walking into the hallway but never walking out. Minutes later, the footage glitched. Then the guests reappeared near the elevator, confused, shaken, and missing hours. No official explanation exists, but several theories remain. A time slip. Some researchers believe room 428 exists out of sync with time, appearing only under specific conditions. A non-Euclidean space. The room may exist in a space that doesn't follow normal geometry, a place that folds reality inward. Something else entirely. A few guests claimed they felt observed, not by cameras but by something aware, not hostile, just watching. Today, the hotel refuses to answer questions. Former staff members signed NDA letters. Renovations sealed the hallway permanently. But guests still report something unsettling. Late at night, on certain floors, they hear a door click open, even though there is no door. So ask yourself, if a room appears just long enough for you to enter and disappears before morning, where were you really staying? Like this video if you enjoy real mysteries. Subscribe to Curio Boost for stories that shouldn't exist.